So I'll be happy to tell you a little bit more about us. We are a family company. We actually celebrated our 100 years anniversary early September, which was a very joyful event. We've been in this, we actually are a farm implement manufacturing business. That is the trade of that 100-year-old company. In the late 60s, we got involved in seed coating and seed treatment because we happened to make small seeding devices, and that was something relevant for the transplant nursery industry that was coming about. And personally, I got involved in the early 80s in the business, but I immediately was involved in the seed-related part of the business, and that's what we've been doing more or less ever since. So we have been a seed coating business. We actually had our business in the U.S. We had a toll processing business in Yuma, Arizona, known as IST, International Seed Technology. That in the mid-80s, end 80s, we got in contact with a company called Germain's Technology Group. The industry is familiar with that business, and we were guided towards the broadacre crop more and more, and they were very much interested in the horticultural business. So we teamed very well, and we got along very well. So in the end, we sold our business to Germain's, and that's how it works now. Now, that was in the meantime a decade ago. We now focus on supplying technology packages, hardware technology packages to seed companies, also seed technology packages. Anything that comes after, let's say, conventional seed conditioning, seed cleaning, and anything that comes after conventional seed, or actually seed enhancement. So if you talk about priming technology, sophisticated applications of PPPs or nutritional components, all those nice new packages that seed companies can put on seed and that create added value, appeal to their seed products. We have a good level of understanding of how technical understanding, but also we know, so we're not only a machine manufacturer, we know by experience and by historical hands-on experience what are the concerns of our customers technically, but also basic things like, seeds shouldn't stick in the machine. I mean, that's a basic ingredient. That so all those very clear things we can offer to our customers. I think maybe, and you can see it on our little pull-ups here, it's two issues that are of very high relevance to the European seed industry, and one is proper application, good quality application on seed, where you put the actives on the seed appropriately, and you make sure they stay there until the farmer puts the seed in the ground. Some of the U.S. companies may be familiar with the dust and bees issues. And actually, during the last ISF, we've had very good discussion with general representatives of the seed industry, also the crop protection companies coming from the U.S., and we've had very interesting discussions about this technology and the need and opportunities for improved application on seed. So this is one side. The other side is another issue that's very interesting to on the agenda of the seed associations, also in general, the ISF, but also the ESA, and that is IPR, intellectual property protection. So you have invested a lot in your seed, in your genetics, and you want to make sure that there will be no tampering. And we have very practical technologies available to implement that protection.